Good morning, carpet cleaning CEOs. This is Brandon Branco. It is Saturday morning, the February the 8th. Man, some bad news. So, as you know, I run my business, my carpet cleaning business, 2 states away. I'm up in the Chicagoland area, and my business is down in Nashville, Tennessee. Well, this morning we had a nice commercial job, $1,000 ticket, deep clean, and I got an employee that's just not answering the phone. So he's not at the warehouse. I assume he's sleeping in because he's for a year and a half. He's been a solid employee. This is the first time he's never come into work. But anyway, I assume he's sleeping in. What do you do? What do you do? The only thing you can do, of course, is of course discipline someone for not showing up. But what I do is I have a fresh flow on Indeed.com. Now, I don't openly advertise that we have positions open. I'm advertising to have resumes submitted to us. I put a great job description. Hey, this is a fun job. If you like to work with your hands, you like good pay, daytime hours. This is something that you can do. If you are not looking for a job, submit your resume anyway. So when we have an opening, we'll give you a call and get you going on an interview. And so I don't have much success with it, but at least it's something. So if I have an employee that I have to let go, at least I have some resumes, some fresh resumes of people who have interest in this job that are ready to go. But I just want to share that with you this morning. Bummer, I can't obviously drive down to Nashville and get this job done because I'm too far away. But I've got an employee showing up at a place that we may not be there. I've got another employee going over to his house right now to knock on his door to wake him up. Totally embarrassing. Hate to call this guy on his day off, but sometimes it's what you got to do when you run a business the way I am. If you have any ideas on hiring and disciplining employees, we write our employees up. We have a verbal warning, a written warning, and then a termination. That, of course, Tennessee is a right-to-work state, so you can let someone go for any reason or no reason at all, which is kind of nice. Anyway, love to hear what you all are doing, how you're hiring, how you maintain your employees. Again, Brandon with Carpet Cleaning CEO. We sell a product called You're Out, something I'd like to let carpet cleaners know about. This is a great product when you get into a customer's home. You can count up the urine spots. You charge them $1 per ounce for ready-to-use You're Out. This one makes a gallon. And you get it into the carpet pad. You clean the carpet, and you're done. It's simple. It's low liability. It's very cost-effective. So if you're looking for a good enzymatic cleaner that's in spore form, by the way, this isn't the stuff you buy at your distributor. This is spores. This right here makes a gallon. Check us out at youroutodor.com. Thanks for watching, and look forward to hearing from you. Take care.